Hello lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Oturi. If you are new here, it's really nice to have you on my channel. Kindly subscribe, and if you're an old subscriber, it's really nice to have you back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I secure bead in my hair without using rubber. That's because of its tendency to tangle with the hair and cause unnecessary breakage. So my hair is already in parts. I'm just going to be following this same path to style my hair in braid. First, I'm going to be hydrating my hair with water and then apply leave-in conditioner to style my hair. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm done with my braid and it's looking so fine. I'm just going to go ahead to slip in my bead now in order to secure it without rubber. Alright, so my bead is finally in and I'm just trying to check where I want my hair length to reach. Then I'm going to take the end of my hair with the last bead, and I'm just going to wrap my hair around the last bead gently. I'm just going to wrap it around it and secure it there, and I pull the bead above it down just to check if it's properly secured. As you can see in the video now, this is a very simple tip that you can apply in your next braid. Just use your hair to secure your bead in instead of rubber. By doing this, you are reducing the risk of hair breakage as much as possible. It's very easy. Slip in your bead, then use your end to wrap around the last bead and secure it. Alright lovelies, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around up to the end. Please do not forget to like, comment, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you are new here, kindly do not forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for really nice content I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Thank you for watching once again. See you in my next video. Bye.